Namaste and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to make yet another chutney, and this one is made out of vegetables. Sweet and savory, a little hint of spice. It's going to be made out of carrots and beetroot. That's going to make a really nice chutney. Let's see how we do that. So for this we need one medium size raw carrot, one medium size raw beetroot, one dry red chili, some mustard seeds, some split black gram and Bengal gram, some desiccated coconut, a little bit of asafoetida and some Himalayan pink salt. And once the pan is heated, we'll add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and once the oil heats up, let's add the mustard seeds. And once you hear the mustard seeds splutter, we can add the lentils, the Bengal gram and the split black gram. Along with that, we add some chili flakes and the asafoetida powder, just a pinch of it. Saute this over medium heat. Now meanwhile that our spices and the gram dal is nicely sauteing in the pan, I'm going to peel out the beetroot. And now we're going to finely dice these vegetables. And now I'm adding the diced beetroot into the pan. Now I'm going to dice up the carrot. It helps to have both the vegetables diced almost about the same size so they cook evenly. Add these carrots to the pan, put the heat back on, and now let's saute these veggies and the spices and the gram dals and wait for them to cook nicely. Curry leaves, and it's about time that we add the salt to it. Now once the veggies are sauteed, add all of this mixture to a blender. And now we will grind it up. The mustard seeds and a little bit of curry leaves. And now we add this tempering to the chutney. And just like that, our carrot and beetroot chutney is ready. So here we have some green dosa. Serve this carrot and beetroot chutney along with the dosa and you have a wonderful meal.